Good morning from the knob. I'll take you for a spin around town. Me and Jim Bob. Lovely day like usual. Tips out that way, about 200 metres. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. Some fantastic fossicking out there, I'm going to show you of it. Alright, we're heading into town here. Come down to Cactus Corner. Because of all the cactuses, of course. On the left there. Some soot, running a different turbo pin. It's like a big Kenworth, I tell you, the amount of soot that comes out the back of this thing. There's the main drag. There's a campsite up on the left there. As you can tell, someone's pulling in there now. Couple of them. Problem. I don't have one. That's alright. Change gears without it. That's just about there, really. Fuck yeah, no clutch. That's real shit. I've been having issues with it. Oh, back a gear without a clutch. Let's go at the top here, we'll have a bit of a look around. The line's straight ahead there. Have a look at the big digger. She's a doozy. This is the old air highway. The golf course is up here. Actually, the golf course is just to the left of us right now. Par 3 right there. Come on, come back. Gonna come back for me or what? No, no. The air highway is a little straight line. Almost a straight line there with a park sign. Behind there's Porter Gut. That's the knob.